All right, welcome back. Okay, when a girl looks at you, the worst thing you can do is immediately look shy, break eye contact, and look away. That not only tells her you are not confident enough to look her in the eyes, most men don't know what to do when a girl, especially an attractive girl, looks at them. Lucky for you, I have a step-by-step guide on what to do in these situations. And I'll even end this video with some bonus tips on how to talk to this girl after she looks at you. But before we get started, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you. Okay. Step number 1, don't look away. Maintain eye contact and stay relaxed. Let's say you're in school, at class, or at a bar maybe, a grocery store, wherever. Doesn't matter. What matters is you catch her looking at you. What now? Well, first things first, and this is incredibly important. Don't panic. If you panic, she will be able to tell pretty easily. So this is what you do. You maintain composure. Maintain eye contact. Here's the key here. Relax. It's just eye contact. She's not going to burn you with her eyes. Keep your body language exactly as it was. This could take some practice. Hopefully you have good posture. This is how you show confidence. Chest out. When you hold your gaze and show that you're comfortable, you're sending a strong message. And that message is, I can handle this. I got this. You spotted the right guy. I'm not afraid of eye contact, and this might seem like it's common sense or even common practice, but the reality is that 99% of men will look away. Don't be one of those guys. Confidence is so attractive, so if you fail this first test, it'll be really hard to recover. Practice talking to friends or female friends, making eye contact and not breaking it to strengthen this up. It's very important you become great at this. You just have to master the skill. It makes conversations and all other interactions so much more powerful. Step 2, flash a genuine smile or a smize. Let your confidence shine through with a smize or a subtle, genuine smile. A smize is basically smiling with your eyes, if you didn't know that. I do a lot of smizing. We are going after a very subtle smile here. You are not grinning ear to ear with excitement that she's looking at you. You're just showing her that you are friendly. That's all we're trying to do here. A sincere smile shows warmth, friendliness, approachability. It tells her that you are open to conversation. Step 3. Read her body language. This could take a few tries. When you notice her looking, keep that eye contact. Flash that genuine, subtle smile, and then pay attention to her reaction. What is she saying with her eyes? Is she smiling back? Is she looking away? Is she giving you a playful look, or does she just frown and look the other way? Understanding these subtle cues can help you respond appropriately. It's not just about being seen. It's about seeing her too. If she frowns and looks away, it's pretty obvious that she's not open to connecting with you. That's her way of saying, don't come talk to me. That could be because maybe she has a partner and she's not single maybe. It could be because she's having a bad day, or she's not feeling put together, or she doesn't want to talk to someone, or it could honestly be because she's not that into you for whatever reason, and that's okay. To be honest, the reason doesn't really matter. If that's her body language, just respect it. Let it go. Get back to whatever you were doing before, and don't take it personally either. But if she doesn't really react, or even better, she smiles back, or you can tell that she might be interested, then it's time for step number 4. If the moment feels right and you sense that she's open, take the shot. Don't skimp out. Approach her with confidence. Remember, when you approach her, don't be weird. Don't run up to her and scare her. Don't get too close. These are all common sense things not to do, but hopefully we don't have to go over too many of these. Just go up to her casually. Step number 5, which is start a casual conversation. Nice and easy, nothing weird, nothing creepy. It could be as simple as complimenting something that you genuinely appreciate about her. Maybe it's her smile or her style. or even her laugh. When you approach with a genuine, confident attitude, it sets a positive tone for the entire conversation. Be yourself, stay relaxed, and let that natural charm shine through. I know diving into a conversation after just an initial eye contact situation can feel like walking on a tightrope, but that's normal. Don't expect to nail it the first time. You will probably stutter, say something dumb, and blow your shot. It's okay. Sometimes she will find this attractive and cute because she sees how nervous she makes you feel. So it ends up working out anyways. She could also be completely shy and shut down as well, which you might find cute from her. Either way, like everything, practice gets you better. Every experience, good or bad, makes you better. Just depends on how you look at it. Don't give up or quit. Besides, you will never see this girl again anyways, even if you do blow it. I understand though, it can be a little scary for a lot of men. That's why I decided to put together some great conversation starters to keep the momentum going and to make that connection meaningful, because this is what really counts. One of the easiest and most genuine ways to start a conversation is with a compliment. It's that simple. It could be something specific that you notice about her, like her cool necklace, maybe her hair or her shoes. Compliments that show that you've been paying attention, you're being observant. This can come off as flattering, but also they indicate that you are genuinely interested in her. But don't be fake. Don't say that you like her dress or her shoes or even her smile if you don't. Be genuine, because being real works, and she'll pick up on it. In my opinion, the best openers are relatable and situational. A good example is, let's say you're at the grocery store and she's looking at cake mix. You can ask her if it's her birthday. If she's surprising someone, you can ask her why she's going with chocolate instead of red velvet cake. It doesn't really have to be intricate or extremely funny. Don't overthink it. A lot of guys think that they have to come up with this really intricate opener. This is just a way for you to get your foot in the door and start talking to her. Once you break the ice, then it's a lot easier to start talking about other things. A pro tip is not just to ask the first icebreaker question about the cake, but don't immediately ask her for her number or ask her to go out after that. Don't do that. You need to ease into it. Take a little longer. Warm her up. Establish that connection. She needs to see that you are a good guy with good intentions and that you are genuinely interested, which you are. So show curiosity about her interest and her opinions and what she's saying, and ask open-ended questions. This is important. Questions that can't be answered with a simple yes or no, because otherwise that's going to be the answer, which can end the conversation. Answering open-ended questions require longer, more thoughtful responses, which will open up more questions or give you a chance to think of more questions to keep that conversation flowing naturally. So you could ask something like, what's the occasion for the cake? You see, you can't say yes or no to that. Maybe ask, do you add any secret ingredients to make it better? These are playful, open-ended questions that will get you both more comfortable to chat until at some point, maybe you can ask her if she needs help finding something else from her shopping list, or if she needs help baking, or better yet, eating the cake. It's just a fun, lighthearted conversation that shows her that you are friendly. Once you warm that heart and light them eyes up, then my man, it's time to get the digits, and hopefully you'll be able to see her again. Who knows? You might even get an invite to the party, get to hang out with an attractive girl, and eat the cake too. That's the dream, right? I'm here to help you learn, grow, and become the best version of yourself by leading by example. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time if you like the channel.